In this lecture, we'll take a look at how we can create or use enumerators in Python. So the first thing that we need to do is create a class, give it a name, let's call it as enumExample. And then over here, we'll be defining 3 enumerator values. So here I'll be saying, let's call it as skill, and then comma, bakery studios. And here I'll be saying range, and the total number of enumerators that are created is 3 over here. So that is what we need to do in order to create enumerators. And now if I have to print this, all I need to do is say print and then the name of the enumerator that I've created. So it's enumX and then skill. The next one, if I have to copy this, and we'll be pasting it over here, same over here. And the other one would be bakery. As you can see, it's coming up in the IntelliSense as well, and studios. Let's save this and run it to see what these values are now. And you can see the index position is printed over here, 0, 1, and 2. So that's how we create enumerators in Python.